In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect Vendasta with Zapier and streamline your business workflow. If you've been searching for a way to integrate these tools effortlessly, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a smooth setup ready to automate your processes. Now, let's dive in. First, let me quickly explain what Vendasta is. Vendasta is a platform designed for digital marketing agencies, providing tools to manage client relationships, local marketing solutions, and more. It helps you sell digital marketing products, manage leads, and track performance. When you connect Vendasta with Zapier, you open the door to automation, saving you tons of time and energy. Next, let's talk about how to connect Vendasta with Zapier. The first thing you'll need is a Zapier account if you don't have one already. Go ahead and sign up at zapier.com. After that, you'll need to log into your Vendasta account. The third thing to do is head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. This is where the magic happens. In Zapier, a Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and does tasks for you. When you click to create a new Zap, you'll select Vendasta as your trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the workflow based on specific actions or events that happen in your Vendasta account. Once you've selected Vendasta, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event, such as when a lead is generated or when a new client is added. Now, the fourth thing to do is connect your Vendasta account to Zapier. You'll be asked to log into Vendasta within the Zapier platform to grant access. Once your account is connected, you can set the specific action that will trigger the automation. You'll want to choose a trigger like new lead or new client, depending on your needs. The fifth step is to select your action app. This is the app you want Vendasta's data to flow into once the trigger is activated. For example, you can connect Vendasta with your CRM, Google Sheets, or email marketing platform like MailChimp. Zapier gives you hundreds of options here, so you can choose the one that works best for your business. You'll then configure the details for that action, for instance, creating a new contact in your CRM or adding new rows in Google Sheets. After that, the sixth thing is to test your Zap. It's important to check if the connection works properly. This step will help you confirm that your new lead or client data from Vendasta is properly flowing into the app you've selected. Once you're sure everything's working, you can turn on your Zap and automation will be up and running. Finally, let's talk about the benefits. Connecting Vendasta with Zapier opens up a world of possibilities for your business, making it easy to automate tasks like sending notifications, creating tasks in project management tools, or updating your CRM without lifting a finger. This integration can save you hours each week and help you scale your operations efficiently. As a quick reminder, you can use Vendasta and Zapier for free through the first link below, which includes exclusive bonuses to get you started with their services and automate your workflow. To sum it up, by connecting Vendasta with Zapier, you'll unlock powerful automation that saves you time and boosts productivity. If you want to try it out with an extended free trial, make sure to check the link in the description. Enjoy automating your business and streamlining your processes with these powerful tools.